What if there was a revolutionary van conversion system that sped up the entire build process to days, not months? New Way Van Life is honored to introduce you to the first complete DIY kit that is flat packed and shipped wherever you choose to build your van. First in its class, our pre-engineered conversion systems are designed to be installed quickly and efficiently so you can get back to hitting the open road. At New Way Van Life, we built, tested, and refined multiple designs and prototypes before bringing our systems to market to ensure our system truly saves DIYers and van builders alike time and money. If you are a van builder or thinking about becoming one, this is a game changer. Our systems simplify and speed up the build process so you can focus on what you're good at, building professional quality vans. New Way's innovative floor kit is a true demonstration of just how easy this complete pre-engineered system is to assemble and install into your van. With this system, you can expect to save thousands of dollars and eliminate hundreds of hours of build time. It's only been a couple hours since we started assembling our superstructure. With the system so efficient, we think it's absolutely okay to take a break and have a cold one with a friend. There's a new way to power your van, one that's not tedious and frustrating to install and maintain. A system so easy, it's truly a simplified solution. We are excited to announce our partnership with EcoFlow. Our plug-and-play wiring harnesses, coupled with our complete EcoFlow power kit integrations, are completely changing the way electrical systems are installed in vans. Together, we've made it easy for everyone that's interested in building a van to install a clean, fully integrated power system that meets their needs. Powered by the electrical system, our Gullwing Windows let you fully immerse yourself in nature or give you the perfect nighttime breeze when you crack them open. As you can see, New Way Van Life is changing the way conversions are built. Hop on over to our website to start converting your van in days, not months.